Kumakain kayo niyan? Sitaw. Wow! Grabe. Ang tataas.
Oh, alangan di taas.
Kakain ka niyan?
No.
Why you don't want to eat? Vegetable mo na. Ikaw, Josh, kakain ka niyan, Josh. Yung may egg. Ang palaya na may egg. It's time to harvest na. Ah, lalaki oh. Ganda.
The eggplant is a berry and not a vegetable.
Saan kayo galing?
Some mint. Who wants some mint? You want some mint? Okay, I give you mint.